Welcome to Winning Solutions Inc.'s Podiatrist Appointment Tracking Database template. If you are a podiatrist or work for a podiatrist, this template would be perfect for keeping track of appointments. If you watch this demonstration and you really like the template, but you own or work for a different type of company, feel free to contact WSI. We can customize database templates to make them compatible with any type of company that you own or run. So we're going to start off here by adding a new customer. We're just going to make up a name here. Blake Bundy. And we'll put in a test email. As you can see, there is a lot of information that can be filled out here. We aren't going to fill in everything, just enough to give us an idea of how this works and looks. Let's add a phone number. Other things that can be added are addresses, notes about the customer. You can add a picture of the customer, call history, appointment history, and payment history with the customer. This is a pretty detailed section. We'll save and close this now. Now that we have a customer to search for, let's see how that works. We can search by any of these. We'll just use the last name, Bundy, for this demonstration. There's that customer we created, Mr. Blake Bundy. You can double-click on the record to view or edit the record. We'll leave this as is and close out of this for now. Now let's set up an appointment. Select the View Schedule Calendar to open a calendar. This is a daily view. You can also view this weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. We'll use the daily view. We're going to make an appointment from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Double-click in this time slot. For customer, we'll use the one we just created. This list of podiatrists is just here for demonstration purposes. We'll use person 1. We'll just double-check the time starts at 8 a.m., and we'll make it an hour long. Type. We're going to use surgery. And we'll say location 1. You can see the invoice amount also updated to $50, because that's what was set for this demonstration. You can add multiple employees at this same appointment. Let's add person 2 and person 3. You can also add a payment method. Finally, let's add a custom color. We'll use orange. Select OK, and it will show up here as well as on the calendar. The color helps a lot with organization. If you have multiple appointments on the same day, different colors can be selected for each so you can see at a glance when each appointment begins and ends. Let's see what that looks like in the monthly view. You can double-click on the appointment to get back to the daily view. Double-clicking again allows you to edit, view, or delete the appointment. You can also search for your appointments by day, location, start date, end date, etc. Let's search by start day and select Run Search. There is the appointment we made. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough brought to you by WSI. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe or like our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs. I'm going to post our contact information in the description below this video. You can also find us on LinkedIn, X, and Facebook. Please follow or like us. We post quite frequently. Thanks again. Have a great day.